These are exciting equations involving fractions. The first problem says x divided by 4 minus 3 is 9. Let us go ahead and add 3 both sides so that we remove 3 that is on the left. So 3 and 3 cancels, that is a 0. We'll remain with x divided by 4. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, then we can multiply 4 on the left and 4 on the right so that we remove this fraction. So 4 and 4 cancels. I remain with 4 is equal to 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. Okay, 48. So in the same way, right, the second problem says negative x divided by 5 is 12, right? So I can go ahead and multiply throughout by 5 so that we have x is 12 multiplied by 5, right? I just multiplied 5 both sides so that x is 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. Okay, but remember we want x, right? So I can divide throughout by negative 1. So negative 1 and negative 1 cancels. I remain with x is negative 60. Okay, what about this problem, right? We have 2x minus 5, everybody divided by 3. This is equal to 7. So again, I can just multiply throughout by 3, right? So I can multiply throughout by 3 on the left, which cancels with 3 in the denominator. So we remain with 2x minus 5 is 7 multiplied by 3 is just 21. Then we can add 5 plus 5 both sides. 5 and 5 cancels. I remain with 2x is what? This is 26. Okay, then we can go ahead and divide throughout by 2 so that x is just what? 13, right? Okay, so you can take a snapshot and I create space so that we can do the last problem. The last problem is x plus 2 over 3 plus x plus 5 over 4 is 5. So what we can do in this kind of problems, right, there are 2 approaches. The first one, I can write the left side as a single fraction and then simplify and so forth. Or the other method that I'm going to use here, I will find the common denominator of the fractions involved and multiply throughout by that common denominator, right? So you can see that the common denominator here of 3 and 4, right? Or the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is just 3 multiplied by 4, right? Which is just 12, right? 3 and 4 goes in 12 without leaving a remainder. Okay, so what I will do, we can multiply throughout this equation by that least common multiple. So let me go ahead and write it in this way. All right, so what I did here, I just multiplied throughout by 12. Okay, so the purpose was to say this: if I say 3 into 12, I get 4. So the first expression becomes 4 multiplied by x plus 2. Then 3 into 12 is 3, so 3 multiplied by x plus 5. And then the right-hand side is just 60, right? Next, we can distribute, right? So by distributing, I have 4x plus 8 plus 3x, then plus 15 is equal to 60. Then let us go ahead and combine like terms. So 4x and 3x adds. This is 7x, then plus 15 plus 8 is just 23. 23 is equal to 60. Okay. Now, this is just what? So I can just write on the other side here. This is just 7x is equal to. So you have 23 on the left and 60 on the right. Just the same as, subtracting throughout by 23. So 23 and 23 cancels. 60 minus 23 is just 37, right? Then divide throughout by 7. I have x is 37 divided by 7, okay? Which I can write, in as a mixed fraction is just 5 whole number. I think I remain with 2 divided by 7. Then we're done, right?